U.S. tech jobs driven offshore by regulatory uncertainty? The offshoring of U.S. tech jobs. The case of Bittrex, the latest crypto platform to relocate offshore of the United States. In recent times, the U.S. has witnessed an increase in regulatory scrutiny of the cryptocurrency and tech industry. This has resulted in a challenging environment for businesses operating in the sector. Today, we will take a closer look at Bittrex, a major crypto exchange, announcing the closure of its U.S. operations due to the uncertain regulatory climate. We will examine the reasons behind this decision and its potential implications for the U.S. tech job market. Bittrex closure, the breaking point. On Friday, Bittrex announced that it would be shutting down its U.S. platform on April 30th after 9 years of operation. Bittrex co-founder and CEO Richie Lai cited the unclear and uneven regulatory requirements in the U.S. as the primary reasons for the closure. According to Lai, the current regulatory and economic environment makes it economically unviable for the company to continue its U.S. operations. The closure of Bittrex's U.S. platform does not impact its international operations under Bittrex Global, which serves customers in Europe, Canada, South America, and other regions. Regulatory pressure on crypto-related companies. Bittrex is far from being the sole crypto-focused firm grappling with heightened regulatory scrutiny in the United States. Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, was recently served with a Wells notice by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, signaling the regulator's plan to initiate enforcement proceedings. In a similar vein, Kraken was compelled to cease its crypto staking operations and settle with the SEC for $30 million. Additionally, Binance, another major player in the industry, has been confronted with its share of regulatory challenges, further emphasizing the increasingly complex landscape for cryptocurrency companies operating in the U.S. I'm not an expert on blockchain. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.